Sendspark makes it easy to send dynamically personalized videos in Apollo emails. For example, here we have a dynamic video in the template. You can see the fallback. Hi there, wanted to show you. But when we look at this video for Robbie, we say, hi, Robbie. And if we were to change this contact to someone else, like Emma, then we would now see hi, Emma in the thumbnail. This is super easy to set up in Sendspark. What you do is you can record or upload your video with our platform, and then from the video share page, you can add dynamic personalization. So for example, in the header above the video, we could add something like, hi, first name. We could add in the message area, which goes below the video, something like, wanted to show how we can help, company name. And in the call to action, we can add something else, like maybe schedule a demo, and a link to your Calendly or calendar. Then what you saw here that was actually in the email is the video thumbnail. We can edit this by clicking on share video and then clicking customize over the video thumbnail. And then you can see we already added hi, first name, wanted to show you, and this is exactly the same way. So once you're all set to share the video in Apollo, all you do is click on this Apollo snippet, and this copies that code snippet to your clipboard. And then you can go into your emails in Apollo. I'm just going to delete that one so we get a fresh state. And then Command V, paste it in. You can see the watch video wants to go right next to this. So just you can click on that to add a space. You can delete it. It doesn't have to be there. But either way, we're all set, and we can see the preview right here. Hope this helps you connect more personally at scale, and be yourself a video. All right, happy recording.